guys, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to be vlogging today. I do have a lot of stuff that I want to get done, so I thought I would just take you guys along with me. And yeah, that's basically it. I think I'm going to go make some breakfast, and then I do have to do laundry and then also edit a video that I filmed yesterday that's going up today, which you guys will have already seen because this one's going to go up after that. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing as of right now. Also, look at this cute top I'm wearing. It says New Reality. Look how cool this is. I love roses, and I just think this is the coolest shirt ever. It's from Fashion Nova. The only thing I don't love about it is that it's just like stops at this weird length. I don't know. I wish it like stopped right here, but whatever. It's still cute and comfy, and I love it. Just made some oatmeal. It's granola, oatmeal, the original, cinnamon and peanut butter. And then I was feeling some coffee this morning, and I got my water right here. She's so hyper this morning. Bella, what are you doing, girl? Editing is about to go down. Got my candle lit. I don't know why, but I just like a candle burning while I edit. It's just kind of soothing. So yeah, got the whole setup right here. Got a nice view. The weather looks so nice. Let's just go out here and actually feel how nice it is, because I feel like it's actually not that cold out. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's actually really nice out. Damn. It actually is not even cold. Like, there's no wind or anything. I might see if my boyfriend wants to go on a walk later, because it's seriously so nice out. I usually go on a walk like over here, so yeah. Okay, I gotta quit stalling. We gotta go edit. Quick editing break to play with Nala. She's crying a lot. Oh, drop it. Thank you. You're so cute. I was gonna ask if you want to go on a walk later because it's so nice out.
Yeah.
So I really want to.
Let's do it.
Did you go out there? It's really nice.
Nope.
Wow, that is. I'm still editing, but it's coming along and I actually kind of like it now, so yay. But I'm drinking my Addiction. This is the LaCroix passion fruit flavor. I freaking love these. You already know. So I finally finished editing, and now I think I'm gonna go get my eyebrows threaded because yeah, they look awful, and I'm going to Florida in like a couple days, so yeah, I need to get them done. It's urgent. Walking down to the parking lot. Okay, I just got to the eyebrow threading place. Honestly, it freaking hurts, but you know, beauty is pain. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay guys, so I just got done, and oh my god, the girl that I go to is always so freaking nice. She always does my eyebrows so quickly, and they were actually way less painful this time, and they just turned out so perfectly. Like, I absolutely love them. I'm feeling so good right now. And also something really thoughtful and nice that she does after you get your eyebrows done is she gives every customer a water, and honestly it's just so nice because I'm actually really thirsty. And yeah, it's the little things, you guys. Just got to my building, waiting for the elevator. I was so scared that someone was going to be in the elevator and see me talking. That would have been Awkward. I'm actually getting really hungry, so I'm probably gonna make lunch too. Video going up on a Tuesday. Okay, I'm sorry. I just had to do it. I mean, it just happens to be Tuesday. What shall we do for lunch?
I don't know.
Should we eat in or should we cook something?
Should we eat in or should we cook something?
I don't even know
Probably
what I'm saying. I posted my video, so now I'm just chilling. But I still want to go on a walk and I still want to eat lunch. Do you still want to go on a walk?
Yep.
Ready to go. Yeah, we kind of decided we're gonna go get some food and also go on a walk just to, like, you know, get both things done. Yep.
So, 2 birds with 1 stone.
Yep. So, let go. Ooh, Zam. What are you doing? Going to Chipotle. We're walking on this really cute path that leads directly to it. It's right by our apartment. It's so cute. Okay, it looks a lot cuter in the summer, I'll be honest.
It looks cool.
Stop to get some mouthwash. Yeah, real important. What are you doing? You dirty. Just putting away the laundry. Pretty exciting. We finished doing the laundry and now I think I'm just gonna chill out because it is that time of the month and I'm starting to get really bad cramps. So I'm just gonna chill out and watch bedtime stories because I started it yesterday but I never actually finished it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And Ari's gonna go skateboarding, so yeah.
Give you a Ferrari for free!
What's up, guys? So Taylor's being pretty lazy, so she asked me to take over quick. I gotta feed Nala. Nala, are you hungry? Huh, Nala? Here you go, girl. Got the windows open. Should I drop the camera? Alright, I'm dropping the camera.
Who else is obsessed with Sarah's day? I love her and her little family. Hey guys, so I just finished watching Bedtime Stories and it was actually so good. I thought I didn't like that movie for some reason, but I actually really like it. It's really good. Also, I'm sorry that I look like a total mess, but what can you do? Oh yeah, and I did realize that I forgot to mention something in my life update video, so I'm just gonna tell you guys right now. But basically, I'm going to Florida again at the end of May because my cousin is graduating from high school, and also like a few days before her graduation, she's turning 18. So yeah, we're all gonna go down there. My sister's going and my boyfriend's going as well, so that'll be really fun. Also, something funny, my cousins have been Snapchatting me today and they really want me to make a Florida vlog, so yes, I am going to film one. It should be interesting. I don't know how many people in my family I'm going to be able to get on camera. Like, I don't know if they're going to be comfortable being on camera, but my dad might be cool with it, and you'll definitely see my cousins and stuff. I literally leave the day after tomorrow, and that's just so crazy. Like, that's like no time at all. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm planning to film like a pack with me video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I don't know when this video is going to go up. I don't know if I'll get it up tomorrow, but we'll see. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm feeling pretty lazy, but like, I think I'm just gonna go tough it out and go anyway, because I skipped yesterday and I'm going to Florida in like a day, so I kind of want to look good. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Let's go work out. Hey guys, I'm back from the gym. I had a really good workout, but I think I'm gonna end the video here because I am gonna go shower. I just feel super gross and sweaty. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this random day in my life. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Like I said earlier, I'm planning to film like a pack with me video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.